Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by softening the paint so it lifts instead of gouging the vinyl. Use a hair dryer on medium heat about 6-8 inches away for 20-40 seconds to warm the spot. This relaxes the vinyl and loosens paint adhesion. Once done, blot with a microfiber to remove tacky residue. Make sure to test a hidden patch first to confirm the vinyl tolerates heat and your chosen solvent. This prevents color loss or warping before you proceed further. Next, you focus on lifting paint without damaging the surface. Dab 70% isopropyl alcohol or a dedicated adhesive remover onto the softened paint and wait 30 to 60 seconds so the solvent penetrates. Then, using a plastic scraper at a low angle, push gently, don't pry. If paint resists, reheat briefly and repeat. Heat plus solvent breaks bonds more safely than brute force. After most paint lifts, wash the area with warm, soapy water to remove solvent traces. Then rinse and dry to evaluate. To finish, restore the vinyl's appearance and protect it. Apply a vinyl cleaner or conditioner and buff gently with a microfiber cloth in small circular motions to remove haze and return sheen. If pigment remains, try a 1-to-1 vinegar and water application, let sit a minute, then blot, or use a manufacturer-recommended dye remover. If you still see discoloration or the vinyl feels tacky, stop. Consult a professional. This prevents irreversible.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.